12 quick lessons from Think and Grow Rich. Here are 12 quick-hitting takeaways from the book to help you on your journey to success. Desire. Clearly define your desires and set specific goals. Strong desire is the starting point of all achievement. Faith. Believe in your ability to achieve your goals. Faith provides the foundation for your success. Autosuggestion. Use positive affirmations and self-talk to influence your subconscious mind in alignment with your desires. Specialized knowledge. Acquire specialized knowledge and expertise in your chosen field. Continuous learning is essential. Imagination. Cultivate a vivid and creative imagination. Visualize your goals and see them clearly in your mind. Organized planning. Create a well-structured plan to achieve your objectives. A well-thought-out plan is a roadmap to success. Decision. Make prompt and firm decisions. Procrastination can be a major roadblock to success. Persistence. Persevere through challenges and setbacks. Persistence is key to overcoming obstacles. Power of the mastermind. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who can support and collaborate with you in achieving your goals. The subconscious mind. Understand that your subconscious mind can be harnessed to work for your benefit. It can be programmed with positive thoughts and beliefs. The brain. Recognize that the brain is a powerful tool. Use it to its fullest potential by staying focused on your goals. The sixth sense. Trust your intuition and gut feelings. Sometimes, your inner wisdom can provide valuable guidance. By applying these principles, as outlined in Think and Grow Rich, you can harness the power of your mind to work towards achieving success in your business and life.